welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my favorites for the month of April. So I'm going to show you 5 products I've been using and I love so much, and I would recommend everyone to give it a shot as well. So the first product is going to be by OGX. That's the Argan Oil of Morocco. So this is how it looks like. I have been using this product since a really long time now, and it has made my hair very much manageable. So what I do is after my hair is wet or after I wash my hair, I put about 2 drops of this onto my damp hair. I just spritz it around, then dry my hair or straighten my hair or curling my hair, whatever you want. So that's how I use it, and I've seen that my hair is so much more manageable and feels soft, feels nice, it feels nourished. It'll keep your hair away from damage as well. So give this thing a shot. And everything is written in Japanese or Korean. Daiso is a Japanese store, I'm guessing. So yeah, this is written in Japanese. It's basically a charcoal pack where you can apply this all over your face, and once it's completely dry you can take it off. So I don't use it all over my face because I don't have blackheads and whiteheads all over my face, but I do use this every week on my nose, and trust me, every single bit of it just comes out. I really like this thing. I've been using this since years, but I haven't spoken about it. This I buy from Daiso. You can pick this up from any Daiso store, and this costs 12 dirhams. So I don't know where all Daiso is located, but I know Daiso is there in many countries, and I don't know the cost of everything, but it costs 12 dirhams here in Dubai. And this is amazing, but it could be a little painful if you have very sensitive skin and you cannot handle pain. The pulling out portion could hurt you, so beware. But do give this a shot, give it a shot, and let me know how did you like it. Then this one's from the Face Shop. I love this thing so much, and this is called as a Smart Peeling Honey Black Sugar Scrub. So this is basically a very simple scrub, and it removes all the dirt, all the gunk out of your skin. It's really nice. It smells good. It smells like brown sugar. It just smells like brown sugar. It's just so good. It's a very squishy thing. Yes, so that's how it looks like. It sort of looks like poop, like Coke brown sugar. So that's what it is. So you just put it onto your skin, scrub it gently, wash your face, and you'll see a very soft and supple feeling. Your skin will look brighter. You look fresh. You don't become fair. You look fresh. So, I dropped some of it here. Okay, so that's about that product. And then this is the face wash which I have been using recently from Organic Harvest. It calls itself a skin lightening face wash. I don't think it lightens skin, but I believe that it removes tan. It has helped me in detanning. So this is how it looks. I've pretty much used till here, so still a little bit more to go. This one's really good. Give it a shot as well. Let me know if you guys like it. Everything is leaking onto my hands. And then this is the Arabian skincare. This is Middle Eastern skincare. My mom gave this to me. It's from New Magic. New Magic is a brand here, and this is 100% aloe vera. So it's a aloe vera scrub. So basically you take some and apply it onto your face and just rub it in circular motion. So the more you start rubbing this in circular motion, you'll see, granules coming out of your skin. So basically that means that's all the dirt, it's taking out all the dirt from your skin. So this is what my mom told me. This is what's written here, and I tried it out and I really saw a change. You can also do this in the night when you're taking off your makeup, because no matter how much wash your face, once you're done with that, maybe you can just scrub into your face and take out that extra dirt. But that's what I have been doing, and I really like this product. So these are 5 of my favorites for the month of April. I hope you guys like my video. Do share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and show me some love.